Under Armour's project management approach. Under Armour's remarkable rise in the athletic.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Athletic apparel market owes much of its success to its project management strategies. As a specialty enterprise specialized in performance apparel, Under Armour has become an international powerhouse. With solid project management techniques, the command center was able to innovate fast, cater to athletes' needs, and jump through complexities at incredible velocity. In this blog, we'll explore how project management for Under Armour was crucial in reshaping the athletic apparel market share globally. Strategic project management for product development. One of the first key steps in Under Armour's journey was defining a clear project management strategy that would drive product development, and it understood they require innovative product development, which meant meeting the specific needs of athletes. This began with extensive research into performance requirements such as moisture-wicking fabrics, durability, and comfort so that Under Armour's products could offer a unique selling proposition in a crowded market. Goal setting. Under Armour's project management for product development began by setting clear objectives for each project, such as developing clothing that improved performance. Resource allocation. They ensured proper allocation of resources, including skilled teams, research facilities, and testing labs. Timeline management. Projects were carefully structured into timelines with clear milestones, ensuring the development process stayed on track. These efforts helped Under Armour develop a range of performance-driven apparel, distinguishing itself from competitors and earning the trust of athletes worldwide. Agile project management and execution in the athletic apparel market. Agile project management became a keystone of Under Armour's project execution. As the athletic apparel market rapidly changed, being able to adapt quickly to trends and customer feedback was crucial. Under Armour incorporated agile project management to stay ahead of the curve by launching products that meet current demands. Fast development cycles. Under Armour was able to shorten the time it takes to develop prototypes by using those short sprints for testing and gathering feedback. It can then iterate that piece a bit more. Flexibility in product design. Adopting agility within their project management, the company could improve products based on market response and outpace competition. Customer-centric focus. The company collaborated closely with athletes to listen to them and create products that were born performance and comfort-oriented. Agile management allowed Under Armour to balance speed with innovation, ensuring they could deliver high-quality products that resonated with their target audience while adjusting to industry shifts. Challenges in managing projects for a global brand. While project management for Under Armour was key to their success, the company did face several challenges, particularly when scaling globally. Supply chain issues. As demand for their products increased, Under Armour faced supply chain disruptions that impacted project timelines and inventory. Managing these challenges required constant project risk management and contingency planning. Competition. Competing with established giants like Nike and Adidas made it difficult for Under Armour to differentiate itself. The company had to constantly innovate and execute projects that pushed the boundaries of performance and technology. Maintaining brand consistency. As Under Armour expanded into new regions, ensuring consistency in messaging and quality across global markets posed a challenge. Effective project management helped align teams and maintain a unified brand identity. These challenges made them to implement Under Armour's project management frameworks, which are very crucial for overcoming obstacles, staying flexible, and maintaining its growth trajectory. Lessons in project management from Under Armour's growth. Some of the lessons that we can learn from Under Armour's project management practices are priceless for any business owner who is aiming for large growth in a competitive market. Innovation and flexibility. This is important for continuous innovation and adapting to new market demands and customer needs. Clear goal setting. Make some clear goals for every project. For example, if we consider Under Armour's athlete performance through technology and design which made them to drive success. Risk management. Always calculate the potential risks which are involved in your business. We can include supply chain disruptions and competition and try to minimize risk, which is crucial to maintain project momentum. Team collaboration. Effective communication and collaboration among diverse teams is an important factor to align at the same pace for executing projects successfully.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.